All fruits and vegetables are beneficial to the body, but the health benefits of kale are more than they look. The leaf cabbage lookalike contains super-rich antioxidants and phytonutrients that help fight and prevent terminal diseases. Kale was a well-known vegetable in Europe some ages ago and has since been included in the list of healing vegetables. The vegetable has its varieties, not just in the taste but also in the colors. Let's take a look at the amazing health benefits of kale you should know if you are already considering including this vegetable in your regular plate of vegetables. 1. Super rich in antioxidants. One of the distinct nutritional values of kale is its high richness in antioxidant properties. It also contains vitamins K, A, and C, including other minerals such as iron. These antioxidants and also other phytonutrients contained in kale make it effective and helpful to prevent deadly diseases such as heart disease, loss of vision, cancer, and so on. The presence of vitamin K helps protect the bones and makes them stronger and healthy. 2. Aids digestion. Kale is one of the fruits that enhances digestion and elimination. This is because of the high amount of fiber it contains. Every part of kale is important, which includes the stems that contain a rich source of prebiotics. Apart from the fiber, it has some amount of water which is necessary for adequate digestion. The combination of these two helps prevent constipation. 3. Contains anticancer properties. One of the distinctive and amazing health benefits of kale you should know is the amount of anticancer properties contained in it. Generally, chlorophyll is contained in green vegetables, which does not exclude our queen of greens, kale. The chlorophyll in kale will help prevent the body from any form of compound absorption called heterocyclic amines. These chemical substances have been revealed to be associated with cancer. Naturally, the body cannot consume much amount of chlorophyll, or else it damages it. But this cruciferous vegetable will help prevent such disease. 4. Prevents and controls diabetes. A Japanese study revealed that a regular intake of kale has the potential to reduce increased blood glucose levels that shoots up after a meal known as postprandial. So, a cup of kale can help lower blood glucose levels in patients with type 1 diabetes because it amounts to 0.6 grams of fiber. Likewise, this nutritious vegetable improves the blood sugar levels in a type 2 diabetes patient. 5. Helps reduce cholesterol. Kale has substances that help lower cholesterol in the body. Some people use the leaf to make bile acids, which are substances that promote fat digestion and breakdown in the body. This is how it works: the liver turns the cholesterol in the body into bile acids, then released it into the digestive system whenever you consume a meal that contains fats. These bile acids are responsible for reducing cholesterol levels in the body. 6. High in vitamin C. Kale has a high amount of vitamin C, which fights aging and slow healing of wounds. Deficiency in vitamin V is one of the rapid causes of aging. Another sign of deficiency in vitamin C is quick bruising, poor irons, and constant bleeding of the gums. Kale provides you with this vitamin, especially when you consume it in its rawness. 7. Enhances healthy liver. The liver cannot function actively and healthily when it is full of toxins. The fiber and sulfur contained in kale are super effective for assisting the body in detoxifying toxins that affect the liver and help it stay healthy. 8. Promotes healthy weight loss. Are you considering burning the calories you piled up during the Christmas season? Look no further, kale is the answer. For a weight loser, you don't need excess calories. That is why kale does just that for you. The dietary fiber contained in kale will prevent you from overeating and unnecessary food cravings or junk.